I hear there's a monster with a new motor. That's the motor you got from Texas?
Yeah, that's the
All
one.
right, cool.
It was so freaking heavy from this motor.
And you painted the frame already? You already got that done, I see. Yeah,
I got rid of all the rust that was here.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the swing arm was a bitch to put on.
Oh, man.
Washers and
Yeah, with the shims. Yeah, when we did Glenn's, it was a bitch to get that done.
Yeah.
I bet Glenn will remember that day well.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So I'm glad that
Brings back a lot of good memories.
I was surprised that this big heavy motor has only two mounting points, one here, one there.
There's only 2 bolts hold it in?
Only 2 bolts.
Oh, it's only, what's it got, 80 horsepower, 70? How many?
85.
85, okay. I mean, it's not 150.
No, it's not the power, it's the weight.
Yeah.
The weight.
Yeah, it's big. It's heavy.
It's heavy.
It's almost like a Harley Davidson engine. Jesus.
Yeah.
With the big, the V.
I gotta show you that one. I just put it there.
Hey, these may fit on my bike when you're not looking. Confess. Now, what's the story with this mirror? How'd the mirror fall off the bike?
I drop it, the front.
You drop?
Yeah, went sideways.
I never did that. Oh, man.
See what I had to do? Take a look at the straps on there.
Yeah, I see how you did that. Yeah. Well, that's
It
okay.
was still wobbling.
Yeah. So why don't you take that front stand I have? Because I don't use it. I got the electric come
Does it
along.
have clips? What is it?
It would be perfect for this.
I got one downstairs. It's like a mine.
And if you were unsafe, you put a strap around so it can't jump off. If you were going to bang into it or something.
Oh, okay.
Next time I come up with the car, I'll give it because I haven't used it since I got the electric come along.
Yeah. Yeah. So I spent almost 1 hour and a half to put the freaking axle back.
Oh.
Oh, it was off center. Then you bang it, won't go in.
I remember doing Glenn's. We were struggling, and we had 3 of us. We were struggling.
I did all by
Imagine.
myself.
I know. It's harder.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. People don't appreciate when you do stuff alone. Well, mamma mia.
Oh, okay. So I changed.
But you had fun. Look, you're 10 years younger than you were last night. But there's no chance you can put there's no place for the radiator.
There's an oil pump impeller. You can possibly use it.
Oh. It was in there.
Yeah.
The original motor. And what happened here?
One loose stud.
Oh.
I don't know if it broke on the base. If it broke, oh my God, it's gonna be. If it broke, I don't know if this goes all the way to the cylinder, or just threads on top of the.
You got the manual though, don't you?
Yeah.
Will it tell you in the
like
manual?
It looks like a big long studs. There's one here.
Oh my God.
There's another one here.
What the hell goes on with that?
I don't know. I tried to thread it back. It won't thread. It won't thread. That means something's
broken.
Something's going on there.
Holy shit.
Yeah. And that's why the back it wasn't really run right.
That's the timing point right
This
there?
one here and this one here.
Okay, and the timing point up here is on the other side.
This and this is line here and this is line here.
Okay.
So you just lose the
belts look weird. They don't even look
Yeah,
old.
they look like brand new.
Yeah.
You just lose the tensioner. And you remove the...
And then line up all the marks? Yeah, should be.
You don't touch the marks.
Yeah.
You don't touch the marks. You can always take a picture or whatever. And you got a manual.
I don't need a manual. I got you.
You remove this belt and you take the cylinders apart. Then you have to remove the other belt.
Yes, of course. Yeah, it's going to be hard to get the back one out without taking the front one out.
But if you don't move this, you just put everything back, the timing belts back, and it's fine.
Now this is not sealed here though. These covers, this runs in, it's not sealed inside, right?
There's a cover.
Yeah, but it's not waterproof or anything. What happens when it's wet?
Yes.
Oh shit, that's not going to seal it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know how to.
Yeah, that's the cover.
Yeah, but it doesn't seal it. It's out in the open. Well,
it needs to breathe a little bit.
Jesus.
There's a little pointer. Right behind the glass. There's a little pointer.
Oh, okay.
See, then there's a notch on the plate. And
that's part of the timing when you set
You
them
time it the one on the side, and this one is supposed to line.
Oh, okay.
It's all much,
Yeah. Used on Mark's gas tank
Oh,
to
yes.
pull dents out?
Yeah, put the stud here.
Okay.
You put against the gas tank. The gas tank, you push this, and it welds the studs.
Yes, yeah.
Stud on the gas tank. And then you get this.
Yeah, you got the mallet that pulls
Yeah,
it.
this
yeah,
one.
that pulls the dent out.
You see, this was a roller pin.
Yeah.
When it's low, it grabs the
Well, it
stud.
worked okay on Mark's tank so far.
Yeah.
What the hell?
You pull it out.
And then you got to grind that off.
Yeah, it's advisable to.
And where'd you get this in Harbor Freight?
Harbor
Why stupid question to ask?
Yeah.
Saturday's going to be 70 degrees. All right, baby. See you later. It's going to rain any minute.